Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Short-run equilibrium is set at point A, and this one moves fast. Figure out what long-run inflationary expectations do, then track the new equilibrium. Start with point A in short-run equilibrium, then ask whether output is above full employment, because that is when wages and price expectations usually begin rising over time. In the long run, those higher inflationary expectations raise input costs, so short-run aggregate supply shifts left, not right, until the economy returns to its long-run output level. That leftward SRAS shift lands the economy at point B, where output is back at long-run equilibrium, but the price level is higher. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap rushing signs. Rule: trust the given graph and check each step before choosing the long-run shift.